There's a little bird. Crashed my window, the poor little guy. He fell down. I went to his rescue, or her rescue. Trying to feed little bread. It's not really working.
Nice, because it's going to take it on its own.
It likes to go on my hand. Ish.
See?
There we
It's
go.
just knocked out. It's going to be fine.
Little birdie. I always wanted a birdie on my finger. Look at that.
Hey.
My wish came
Are you
true.
okay now?
Are you gonna fly now?
Are you okay there?
Do you wanna fly? You can fly, it's okay. Yeah.
Gonna be fine. I'm gonna leave you some bread here.
Get a little fresh air and then you can go fly.
It looks like it's looking at you.
I think his jaw is a little in pain. Mom, go give it some Advil. LOL. Get a little closer look at it. I believe it's a chickadee. Yeah. Can pet it. My finger's starting to hurt because I'm holding it up. Do you want to go down? Can you get off my finger, please? I can give my hand a break. Or here, I'll just do that. Yeah. Hi there. You okay? Hmm? I'm just scared it's going to end up attacking my face.
Yeah.
Hold this. Yeah. Are you okay? Come visit any time if you like me. But just don't hit my window. I want you getting hurt again. He's
Yeah,
looking at
I can
me.
hear something over there.
Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Yeah. It's so hard not to pet it because my finger's a little bit sweaty.
Are you okay there now? You should be fine now.
Can you fly? Yeah. This is the wind. Wanna like a little bread?
Here, he's got bread for you.
Little bread. No?
There we
Watch
go.
it. Bye. He is over there. He still got his mouth open.
Probably looking for food too.
Are you gonna fly? Don't fly yet if you're not ready. You just want between my legs. There he is. Oh, look at him. Are you gonna go? Go fly. Try your flying skills. Go back to flying again, okay? Come on, you can do it. It's getting there.
Here you go on there.
Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Wow, you just put all this fur up. 3 minutes. Okay. You can do it. Want a little snack? Okay. You okay? Okay. Want a big snack, eh? You want small?
Yeah, there's smaller pieces,
Your
but
paws
they
okay?
take big pieces and they bring it with them.
Do you want it? You can have it. Bring it with you. It's not poisonous, I promise. We don't poison animals. Not cute little ones like you. Hey? You okay? I'm gonna stay with you until you're fully functioning. 100% flyable.
Yeah, break it in there and juice it and try to...
It's gonna be hard doing with one hand. Do you want it? Got a little breadcrumb over there.
Luckily the house didn't get sold, eh? Because you wouldn't have seen the bird.
Nope.
Little tiny little...
We got to keep the house. Woohoo!
There's little tiny bugs
Little
that
birdie.
are biting.
What should we call them? Little... I don't know. What would you name a bird who crashes in a
Bandit.
window? Little bandit. Here we go, Bandy.
Yeah, because his
Call him
top of
Bandy.
his head is black.
Oh, okay, so Bandit or Bandy?
And his eyes too, so bandit.
I think it's a chickadee or I don't know. You didn't break your paw, did you? Good thing I came to rescue, eh? Yeah. I don't like animals getting hurt or dying, so I helped you because I love animals. I love helping them. Hey? I think he tucked his wings because his fur used to be underneath his wings and now, you know.
When they fly into the windows, it's only their heads they knock.
Yeah, I know. I just want him to fly again. I hope he doesn't get too attached to me. He's so tiny and adorable. Am I too close? I'll give you some space. Hey. Yeah. You're pretty. You're a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Are you gonna be okay? Are you ready to fly again? Do you want to try? His nails are sharp and it hurts. Do you want to fly again? Be careful. Whoop. Sorry. His paws are slipping.
He's going to fly when he's ready.
Now his wings are on top of his fur. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video because it's been for 6 minutes. Wow, okay. Say goodbye to the bird. This is the knocking out bird today video. Say bye, birdie.